So there were 753 locally acquired cases reported in New South Wales for the 24 hours to 8 p.m. last night, and 2 cases of overseas acquired infection. There were 138,472 tests. We have 107 cases in ICUs, and some of them across the age span. So again, reinforcing that COVID is a severe disease and can impact all age groups. Of the 107 people in ICU, 95 are not vaccinated, and 12 people have had their first dose of COVID vaccine. Again, the vaccines are highly effective, and I do urge everyone to get their 2 doses as quickly as possible. 1 dose provides protection, some protection, but it is critical that you get your 2nd dose in the agreed framework. And I have requested that people who have received AstraZeneca strongly discuss with their GPs bringing forward their interval to that 4 to 6 week in the current outbreak context. As the Premier said, that we did not have any deaths reported in the 24-hour period to 8 p.m. last night. Overall, and the Deputy Premier will describe the situation in more detail, but clearly we have a strong focus on our communities in Far West and Western New South Wales. It is critical that those communities follow the public health advice and also take up the opportunity for vaccination, which is being increased access points throughout the regions. Newcastle is settling, and I just want to thank the response in that region to the public health advice. It still is important that we stay the course there to continue to dampen down any transmission. In terms of other parts of the state, clearly the focus remains in southwestern Sydney and Sydney. We are seeing some cases in Sydney and also the Western Sydney local health district. So those existing suburbs that the Premier indicated, the particular areas are Auburn, Marylands, Yagoona, Guildford, Bankstown, Punchbowl, Blacktown and surrounding suburbs. So my key messages is we need to hold the course. I understand that everyone is fatigued and tired, but it is incredibly important that as we increase vaccine coverage, we do all we can to prevent further transmission and that we continue to see those case numbers decline. And that is our challenge. And can I thank the community? It is so pleasing every day to see those vaccine numbers go up. And what is more pleasing is to see those 2nd doses start rate to go up as well. So please come forward, get your 1st dose, get your 2nd dose, but it is critical across all the age groups. But unfortunately, on a sad note, there are still many people over 70 that have not received their 1st dose. And so if you have a loved one that's elderly, please, there are so many access points for vaccine at the moment. Please assist them to get a vaccine. Thank you.